Poor Brandy's getting ganged up on. Hi, Brandy. I know, the girls are gonna get you, huh? Look at all your spots, Patches. Yeah, look at you. You're such a cuddle bug. What do you see? There she is. There's Snowy. Hi, sweetheart. You're being very good sitting all night. Yeah. Yeah, you are. And you too. You both are being very good sitting. Yes? What is it? Who's this over there? Hey, Smudges. It's nap time. Everybody's sleeping. Mostly everybody. And Sherlock. You can tell Sherlock from Autumn. Because Sherlock got brown. Right here, and black. There. Patches. What are you doing? Trying to wake him up? And that's Branny. Everybody loves Branny. Branny? Sweetheart? So that's Autumn and Sherlock next to each other. Autumn is more black. We get all black. And Sherlock got the brown coat, like Sherlock Holmes. You get the black feet. What you want the attention to? Huh? You want the attention too? Huh? You want the attention too, you silly girl? Hey, Snowy. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, Branny. Hi, sweetie. What are you up to in your corner? You gonna hang out with Scrappy? I guess that's it. Sherlock is dreaming. Here's Sherlock. See his poop? This is Autumn. Here's Snowy. Her coat is very, very long compared to everybody else's. It's a nice double thick coat. Brandy, our brindle. Scrappy, our pure white. Who's this? This is Dot. And Dot is because she's got a dot on her head. And this is Weezer. When he's awake, he's a little scrappy guy. Everybody knows Patches. Way over there. This is Banji. She's a girl. And then Smudges. And that's why I call her Smudges. She's got a smudge of brown. That's just about it. Hey, sweetheart. I'm gonna tickle your belly. That's it. That's everybody.